Katie, this is Nadine, who's just done the first day on the startup course at Katie at Training Academy. So, Nadine, where did you come from?
What do you mean?
Where do you sort of live at the moment?
I live in Portsmouth.
Okay.
I'm a hairdresser.
Yeah.
Also a photographer at the hospital for newborns as well.
Okay, so you've got a very creative background.
Yeah.
Excellent. And you've been learning today a bit of microblading for brows and machine for brows, I take it?
Yes, I have, yeah.
Excellent. So let's have a little look at your work today, shall we?
So when I first started, it was even worse than this, but this is like my first one that I did.
Okay.
As you can see, I've chopped straight into that brow there, like minced it up, and then these are the brows. Yeah, and these are the brows that I'm doing now, and that was within like an hour of just Katie sitting with me. I managed to then produce better quality brows. So yeah, it's going really well. Really enjoying it.
Yeah.
I feel like the training style that Katie delivers is really easy to understand. She's very patient. So if you don't get it the first time, she's not. She'll just try and think of another way to explain it. So if you take a little bit longer doing some things, it's fine, because she'll sit there and she'll do one, and then she'll ask you to repeat it until it goes into your mind.
Excellent.
So there's lots of repetition. Is that the right word?
Yeah.
But it makes it go into your mind, and then you start to produce better work after a little bit of time doing that.
And do you think it helps being the only student in the class as well, sort of one-on-one, rather than in a big group of people?
It's amazing one-on-one training, because I think when you're in a big class, you don't get as much information that you can do, because obviously they can't do one-on-one training with you. They haven't got the time to. So I think with this one-on-one training, you're sort of getting a whole you probably do a term at somewhere, and with a week here, it's probably a term if you're at college or a uni or.
Because you've got, I suppose, 100% attention all the time.
Exactly, yeah.
And also, I suppose it's nice also to be able to ask any questions without worrying about other people in the class, yeah.
And I also think, the one on training, it's tailored to you, so it's not just even though it's, she probably does the same thing with everybody, she'll tailor that to how you're learning, so she won't go too quickly, she won't go too slow. So, that's the benefit of the one-on-one, I think.
Excellent. And I suppose, that goes to show how you can improve your brow strokes very quickly.
Yeah.
Than, if you were a big group of people, maybe that first set of brows would have been the only set you got to do, sort of thing.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. So it's been a really good day, and it's gone so quick as well. I can't believe the whole day's gone already. It's
been like a full-on day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Brilliant. Well, have a good rest tonight, and we'll look forward to catching up with you tomorrow.
Lovely.
Brilliant. Cheers, Nadine.